everyone, welcome to my channel, Flip Furniture Mom. My name is Maggie. Today's video I'm going to work on this French Provincial dresser I have behind me. It is a commission piece. I want to share with you guys the pure color my client chose. Let's go to outside, clean up and sanding, and let's go to start. For my first time, I'm going to use a slick stick from Behr to apply on the top of this dresser because it's too shiny and too slicky. And let's go. On the body of the dresser, I'm going to use Behr shellac primer. After 3 coats of paint, light sanding between coats, and I leave to dry the last coat overnight. Now it's ready to protect. I will protect my piece with polyacrylic in clear satin, my favorite one. I will do 3 coats on the top and 2 coats on the body and sanding between coats. I'm going to protect inside the drawers and inside the dresser with feed in wax. Smells so good and is a lot touch. Time to put the hardware back on it. I love so much how this dresser comes out. I'm in love with the color. It's the first time I paint some furniture in yellow, but I'm in love with this color. I'm in love with the hardware. The silver hardware goes very well in this dresser. Now you can buy me a coffee or check my Amazon wish list. That will be really helpful for my channel, and I can make the contents like this. If you enjoy my video, please like, share and subscribe, and see you next week. Bye!